How to use Printful with Amazon? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Printful with Amazon. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. I'm gonna begin from zero, so you're gonna look my registration here in Printful and all the process to sell your products through Amazon. So by now here I'm going to sign up, and you have different options: sign up with Facebook, Google or Apple, or sign up with your email. If you tap there, you're gonna write your full name, email and password. But by now I'm going to make it easier, and I'm gonna click on sign up with Google, and then to select one of my accounts to continue with this process. This is my name, my email. I agree to Printful terms of service and privacy policy, and then I'm gonna click on sign up. So tell us about yourself so we can tailor your experience with us. So by now I'm going to sell online. I'm going to click on artist, and how many fans do you have on your largest social media account? By now I'm gonna have 0 to 150,000. How many e-commerce orders do you get per month from your products? By now I'm going to click here, 0 to 50. And that's it. That's how you can create by now your Printful account. So what you're gonna need is to create a new product. So I'm gonna click on this left menu on product catalog, and there I can browse new products or so on, but I can click, I don't know, I can look for accessories, it could be, and I want to sell accessories like bags, and this particular one, all over print minimalist backpack, I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm going to click on create product template. You can do that to, I don't know, like copy this and not to design the new product from zero. So I'm gonna click on got it to continue this tutorial, and this is what are you gonna sell by now. Okay, this is my product. So by now I can select and modify different options of my product. I can add a new image. By now I'm going to select a new image to upload a new file, and this is gonna be the image. It's just a recipe. This is loading. Okay, there it is. So I'm gonna select this one to apply, and there it is. This is my back, so I can click on continue. I can click on clear by now. Continue again. Yes, I'm going to continue. You can obviously create a great product with your specifications and whatever do you need. By now I'm going to save the product template. Remember, this is just a tutorial, a quick tutorial. Okay, now I have my bag. As you can see, there is like the recipe in my bag. And what I'm gonna do now, if you have already your products, is go to stores here in the left menu, and here you can choose your stores platform. There are a lot of platforms to use, so I'm gonna click on choose platform, and there is Shopify, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and obviously Amazon, the world's most popular online marketplace. So I'm gonna click on connect. To this process, you're gonna need like different steps. As you can see, there are just 4 steps. Well, the first step is to register for an Amazon Seller Central account. Then you have to choose the Amazon regions you want to sell on. Remember, these are the countries. You have that option. The step 3 is to set up your brand name and GTIN exceptions. And step 4, adding and syncing your products. So by now, this is like a chain. If you want to make the step number 2, obviously you will need to make the step number 1. So by now here you can log into your Amazon sellers account or register a new one. So I'm going to register a new one. So this is my Amazon page. So I'm going to click on sign up. Perhaps if you click on register a new one, you're going to be redirected to this page, but you're gonna delete all this just to write sell.amazon.com, and there you're gonna obtain the same page that I am right now. So I'm going to sign up. I'm going to write my password. And here it is. This is the process. So you are going to provide your information and documents. They are going to verify my submission and get verified and start selling. And it is important to know that to connect Amazon to Printful, you'll need an Amazon Professional plan, which costs like $40, around $40, and plus referral fees. This is important. And also that if you sell under your own brand, Amazon requires you to submit real life product photos. You get your GTIN, that is Global Trade Item Number exception, okay? So this is gonna be viewed in the step number 3, but by now it is important that you know this. So here in my Amazon, I'm gonna show you just some of the data that you must fill in. So this is the business information to select your country. By now, this is my country. The business type, state owned business or whatever you need to put there. And I'm gonna agree and continue. Oh, sorry. State owned business, the business of the name. To confirm your business location and type are correct, and agree and continue. After that, you're going to fill more data like your name and so on. So I'm gonna wait until this page load. There it is. So these are the 5 steps. First, the business information, not yours, the business information. So the company registration number, the address, the zip code, the city, obviously to receive the PIN through, I don't know, SMS or maybe call, and write your phone number there and get the SMS verification language to receive your verification code, obviously. Then you're going to fill the seller information. This is your info, your name, your ID, your birth date, and so on. All that info. And probably they're going to ask you for some pictures of your ID to verify your information. After that, the billing process, the different mechanisms that are you gonna use to receive the different payments, and the store, probably the web page and so on, and to wait for the verification. This could take some time to get your verification, but after that you're gonna be able to be here with your Amazon account and your Printful account linked between them, okay? When you have submitted all this info into your Amazon Seller Central, you must choose the Amazon regions you want to sell on. Remember, these are the main countries where you can sell with Amazon. And then you must click on authorize if your marketplaces are in North America or Europe. So by now I would go to authorize this, and the step 3 and 4, as you can see where I read this, that the GTIN is if you sell products of your own brand, and for that you're gonna need the global trade item number for this step, okay? And the step number 4 is just the final one. Adding and syncing your products is like automatically done by Printful with Amazon, and with that info you're gonna be able to sell your products through Amazon. That's it. That's how you can use Printful with Amazon. Thanks for watching.